If your tech trouble feels like a ticking time bomb, don't let it explode. Impress IT Solutions diffuses the situation fast. Downtime means lost revenue and frustrated employees. That's why West Houston trusts Impress IT Solutions for managed IT support that prioritizes rapid response times. It's not just about fixing the problem. It's about how quickly we show up when you need us, says the Impress IT support team. Managed IT support means you have a dedicated team that proactively monitors your systems, fixes issues before they become problems, responds fast when something goes wrong, handles updates, patches, cybersecurity, backups, and more. But not all managed services are created equal. Some providers take hours or even days to respond. Impress IT Solutions is different. We focus on speed, communication, and proactive problem solving. Why is fast response time critical? Minimize downtime. Every hour of downtime can cost your business money. Impress IT's average response time is under 30 minutes, resolving most problems the same day. Prevent employee frustration. When tech fails, productivity halts. We get your team back on track fast. Stop security issues before they spread. Fast response means we isolate and eliminate threats before they spread. Avoid escalation. Rapid response stops small hiccups from becoming major headaches. So what makes Impress I.T.'s response time so fast? Local to West Houston, we're right in your area. Remote support first. Most problems are resolved remotely within minutes. So priority ticketing system, urgent issues get top attention. Proactive monitoring. We catch and respond to issues promptly. Friendly human support, a real team that knows your business, real support, real fast. That's Impress IT Solutions. Call us today.